Company background: Master Testing Services Sendirian Berhad, established to bring together a team of professionals and to provide comprehensive consulting services in civil and structural engineering and project management. The company directors are highly experienced in various fields such as all aspects of project management services, site investigation, geotechnical and structural engineer, water supply engineering, infrastructure development, hydrology, hydraulic, water resources engineering, stormwater management facilities, flood forecasting and warning system, stormwater and drainage master plan, environmental management plan, erosion and sediment control plan, dam break analysis, dam safety and emergency response plan. Our company located at Wilayah Persekutuan, Wilayah Kuala Lumpur. Vision and mission. Vision: to provide responsive, safe and trusted solution to our client with the highest quality, most dependable, cost-effective engineering design and construction management services in the energy industry. Mission: our mission for Master Testing Services Sendirian Berhad, individually and as a company, reflect our core values and the path we follow in pursuit of providing our client with unmatched performance, unparalleled accountability, and the highest level of satisfaction in the industry. Company objective: first, most functional, safe, least cost, and minimum maintenance design. Second, accommodate client demanding requirement and highest expectation. Third, personal attention of principals in all aspects of professional services including planning, detailed design and construction. Fourth, all work to be carried out in a technically sound and professional manner and delivered on time. Organizational chart. The managing director is Nurul Rifka binti Muhammad Safian. The project manager is Nur Ain Nashwa binti Aminuddin. The vice project manager is Nur Adlina binti Badrul Hishan. The civil and structural engineer is Nur Ain Shafika Hamira binti Hamdan. And the geotechnical engineer is Sasikala Pugandam.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Naina Shobati Aminuddin and I will talk about soil profile, the field exploration of this project, which are multi-speed water wash boring, standard penetration test and undisturbed soil sample are used in this project. Borehole 1 was taken as the reference based on the soil investigation, and the result for borehole 1 is as below. The type of the soil is sealed and the borehole depth is 24.405. The figure represent the soil profile for our borehole 1. Shallow foundation has been chosen in designing the foundation of our project. Based on the soil profile, the second layer of soil is chosen because of the depth of the foundation passed for the second layer. The properties of the soil is stiff, grey with brown, slightly sandy silt. The depth from the ground level is 1.5 to 1.95. And value is 10 and 60 is 9.9 unit weight, and effective unit weight for the soil is 15 and 19. The friction angle is 30, and lastly the effective cohesion is 9.
Hi, my name is Nur Adrina. For the foundation design, our group agreed to choose the P2, P6 and P14 as an example for calculation. This is showing the drawing of foundation detail for plan and site elevation view for P2. This is the drawing of plan and site elevation of foundation P6. And the last foundation we choose is P14, which is this is the plan and site elevation view.
Hi, my name is Nur Rifka binti Muhammad Sufian. So today I will explain about the example of design foundation. I will choose foundation P2. The details provided from esteem the load, which is 55.1 kilonewton. The proposed dimension 750 mm times 750 mm times 250 mm. The value of FCK is equal to 30 Newton per millimeter squared. FYK is equal to 460 Newton per millimeter squared. And the concrete unit weight value is equal to 24 kilonewton per meter cube, soil bearing capacity 100 kilonewton per meter cube, diameter of bar 12 mm, and the column size 300 mm times 300 mm. So for the design procedure, the design foundation according to reinforced concrete design to Eurocode 2. And the procedure includes the determination of minimum and maximum reinforced area, bending moment, shear checking, cracking checking, and detailing. Next one, I will explain about the example of settlement determination for foundation P2. So for the first step, we need to calculate the net allowable bearing pressure, which is the Q net. Next one, we have to calculate the settlement using the Q net calculated just now. And from the calculation, we observe that the settlement of foundation P2 is acceptable.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Anshifah Hamira binti Hamdan. Today I would like to present the chapter 5 of our project, which is discussion. Firstly, selection of foundation is influenced by 3 factors, which are firstly is type of soil, type of loading pattern, and lastly is economic feasibility. Secondly, we have stated the reason why we use shallow foundation compared to deep foundation. Firstly, from our soil analysis, the borehole one consists of silty soil. Secondly, the load that we have is suitable for the shallow foundation. Thirdly is due to the economic feasibility. Fourthly, the depth of proposed foundation is suitable for shallow foundation, and lastly, we can lessen the soil settlement caused by the foundation. Third point in our discussion is the checking that we have used to check the suitability of the proposed foundation size. Firstly, we check the cracking using the Eurocode. Secondly, we check the bearing capacity by using Terzaki method, and lastly, we check the settlement. The last part for our discussion is the result from our calculation. Firstly, all foundation pass the cracking checking. Secondly, all foundations pass the allowable bearing capacity. And lastly, all foundation have settlement that less than 25 mm. That's all. Thank you.